These are the smoke lungs at the Home Depot in Bellport. I think someone else is shopping here. Let's see what they got. It's a 3-pack. P3010s. P4010s, interesting. Pretty sure those are smoke only. Can't see a PP3, C3010D. Got your adapters. Nice. Copic. SCO with older packaging. P4010 ACS. What is this? It's an ACS-W, I think. Pretty sure that's what it is. Universal! They got Universal here. 2-in-1 smoke and fire. 3-in-1 smoke carbon monoxide. P4010 ACS, I'm guessing. P12040 again. And it fell. P12040. Fix this. As you all know, you got these FR618 ACs, came with some IBAs. This is new. Kansas Steel BIC. They got a Kidde fire extinguishers. They don't sell the. Oh, this is the thing that I wanted. This right here. This is a bridge combination. I would get that if I really wanted to, but I'm not going to. It's too pricey. They got Universal here. Interesting. I would get these, but they're pricey. Well, there you go.